નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Dear children, our next topic is socialist system. Socialist system originated because of limitation and failure of the market system. Dear children, what they have to given that? They have to given that socialist system originated. Why the socialist system is originated? Because there are the limitations as well as the failure of market system or capitalist system. Countries like Russia, China have achieved the fast economic progress by adopting this system. Now here they have to given the name of the nation. Which nation? Russia and China adopt the which system? Socialist system. And already we learned that which nation was accepting the capitalist system? Japan, America, England, they accept the capitalist system. Socialist system is quite opposite to the market system. What happened that here they have to given that socialist system is quite opposite with the market system. It means both system are opposite with the each other. In the socialist system, all economic decisions are taken by the state machinery. It means in socialist system the whole decision was taken by the state government or state machinery. State own all the resources of the production. It means here the whole kind of the resources of the production was controlled under the state government. In this system the whole economy is managed by the states. All the decision pertaining to the production, investment, resources distribution, production distribution, this all kind of the decision was to be taken by the states. After taking and keeping the requirement of the society in the mind. So it means here the state take the decision on the basis of the requirement of the society. In the socialist system, rather than profit, here social welfare is the main center. Now dear children, you know very well that in market system or capitalist system, the main aim of that system is profit. But in socialist system, the main aim of the government or state is to welfare of the people. It means in socialist system, the government was work on the basis of the welfare of the people. Production of the resources and their price are decided by the states. What happened then? The production of resources and their price are decided by the state. The responsibility to achieve the target of production decided by the state government factories. Farming is also owned by the states. What happened that here farming is also under the control of the states. Labor are paid according to their ability and according to work is taken from them. Now what happened that here the labor are paid according to their ability and according to their work taken from that. Now they have to given about the features of the socialist economy. Resources are owned by the states. Now what happened there? Here the all kinds of the resources are under the control of the states. All the economic decisions are taken by the states. Now what happened that dear children? Here all kinds of economic decisions are under the control of the states. Rather than profit, social welfare is at the center of economic activity. Now what happened there? Here the social welfare is given the more important by the economic activity rather than profit. Laborer are paid the wages in return of the work. Now here what happened there? Labor are paid the wages on the basis of their work. Now benefits of socialist system. Because of production according to the requirement of the society, unimportant and luxurious items are not produced. Now what happened there? Here they have to done the production on the basis of requirement of the society. That's why here no more production of the luxurious items. As second one, as the decision related to the production are taken by the state. It means all kinds of the decision of the production are under the control of the state. So wastage of resources is not there, and that's why here what happened there? Uses of minimum resources and get the maximum output. So here the chances of wastage of resources is not there in the socialist system. disparity of income and property is removed. Now what happened then? Here the disparity, you know very well that the meaning of disparity, asamanta. It means here there is no chances that the richer become richer and poor become poor. It means here the disparity of income and the property is removed. That's why the all people are equal and consumer are not exploited. It means here consumer are not cheated in the socialist system. Why? Because all things are under the control of the states. Now they have to given about the limitation of socialist system. Socialist system which has come into the existence with the noble intention of equal distribution and social welfare to has a certain limitations. Now what happened there, dear children? Here the social system has also some kinds of the limitations and social system only work and the distribution for the social welfare. Now first topic, as the resources of production are owned by the state and people do not get encouragement and motivated to increase the production. Now what happened there? Here in socialist system, the all kind of the resources are controlled and owned by the state. That's why the people do not get the encouragement as well as the motivation for the increase of the production. Second, due to a lack of competition, contents as well as the research do not get momentum in the economy. Here now what happened there? Maximum things are under the control of the state. That's why here research based work is not there, and here you do not find the more competition. Here the lack of competition is there. There is the lack of individual freedom in this system. Here what they have to given that? They have to given that here the lack of individual system. It means as an individual they have not given the much freedom. Why? Because all things was managed by the state. That's why here the chances of lack of individual freedom in this society, and because of complete interference of the state there is a fear of the bureaucracy. Now what happened there? Here the complete interference of the state, it means here the complete all things are under the control of the government. So here the fear of the bureaucracy, it means here the fear of the government is there. Dear children, our next topic is mixed economy, and this topic is most important in the board examination. With topic mixed economy. Now mixed economic system attempt at removing the limitation of the market system and socialist system and try to assimilate in it good element of both the system. Now what happened that here they have to given that mixed economic system is removing the limitation of both previous system, which both previous system, market system or capitalist system and socialist system, and now it tried to assimilate. Assimilate, it means to accept, apnana, and it is a good element for the both of the system. Now mixed economy is a such a type of economic system in which public and private sector coexist and both the sector do not work as a competitor. Now what happened that here they have to given that mixed economic sector was working with the coexistence with the cooperative way with two sector, public sector as well as the private sector, and here both the sector are not competitor with the each other and they work as a complementary. They work as a complementary. Complementary, it means extra, zyada to each other. It means both are working with coexist with cooperative and they also done the extra work. There is a individual or private ownership in agriculture, trade, small consumer goods and industry. Now what happened there? Here you have to find out that individual or private ownership in all these kinds of the sector in agriculture, trade, small consumer goods, industry, while basic key area like heavy industry, factory producing defense material, railway, electricity, road, irrigation are owned by the states. Now what happened there? Here some part are under the control of the states. Which part are there? Heavy industry area, factory producing defense material, railway, electricity, road, irrigation. This all are under the control of the states. In this system, market is not completely free. Now what happened that here you have to find out that the market is not completely free. Government lays control in different way. For example, state lay the heavy tax on production of unwanted things. Now what happened that here government collect the heavy tax on the production of unwanted things. In the same way, industry in the backward area are encouraged by giving the subsidy. On another side, you have to see that what happened that government give the encouragement by providing subsidy, by providing loan to, as well as the relaxation in the tax for the upliftment of the backward area. Thus, in the mixed economy, in such an economic system in which important place is given to economic planning in taking the economic decision. Now what happened that here in the mixed economic system, they have to done the economic planning for the economic decisions. Here you have to see that coexistence between private and public sector accepted in this system, and this is the most important point. What it means here, public sector and private sector both are working together with the coexistence, private as well as the public sector, and they accept the whatever the economic planning and whatever the economic decision taken by the states. This system is also called the controlled economic system. Because of the restriction and control, countries like India, France and England follow the mixed economy. Now dear children, what happened that here they have to dear children, what happened that here they have to given the name of the nation. Which nation they have to accept the mixed economic system? India, France and England follow the mixed economic system, and that's why what happened that here India is also following the mixed economy system. That's why mixed economy is the most important question for the board examination. We so far studied about market system, socialist system and mixed economy as deciding the factor of economic decision and distribution of resources. Now what happened that already we have to learn in these three system, market system, socialist and mixed economy, that all kinds of the factor for the economic decision as well as the distribution of resources was to be done. There is no country in the world today where there is a absolute the market system or socialist system. Now what happened that presently you no find any nation who only accept any one system, market or socialist system. Now what happened that maximum nation accept the mixed economy system. Both the system have lost their individual features and have assimilated into the mixed economy. Market system witnesses the indulging of the planning element and state interference. Now what happened that here market system, see that here what happened that there was a indulgence. What was the meaning of indulgence? Tushti, anugrah, attachment for regarding with the planning element as well as the state interference. While in socialist system, what happened that here the witnesses that economic relaxation and economic liberalization is there. Now, but in demerits are also witnesses in mixed economy. Same way, dear children. In previous two system, we have already learned that some demerits are there. So here in mixed economy, so demerits are there. What was the meaning of demerits? It means those avgun. For example, economic instability. Now what happened that in mixed economy you see that economic instability, it means asthita, lack of coordination between public as well as the private sector. Inconsistency of the economic policy, inconsistent yani visangat, asangta, incompatible is there. Here low rate of growth of economic development you have to find in mixed economy. That's why above all are the demerits of the mixed economy. There are the limitations in the mixed economy. So dear children, now what happened there? It means in the all type of this economy, market system, socialist and mixed economy, we have learned that some is a limitations is there, some is a advantages and some is a disadvantages is there. But what happened that India accepting the mixed economy, and now on from all over the world maximum nation accept the which system, mixed economy system. Thank you for joining us